TikTok's Watch Earn feature, here's what they don't want you to know. People think you can just create a new account or change your Gmail and unlock it, but that's not how it works. Watch Earn is part of TikTok Lite, and it's only active in certain countries. It launched in Japan, South Korea, and was briefly available in France and Spain, but it got suspended there after EU concerns about user safety. TikTok has mentioned plans for Germany, Brazil, the UK, and even the US, but nothing official yet. No hack, no plugin, no new Gmail will give you access, don't fall for it. And here's the real danger: scammers are offering fake tools that claim to unlock Watch Earn. They just want your data or your money. So if you have Watch Earn on your TikTok, congrats, you're one of the lucky ones. If not, stay tuned because TikTok might roll it out globally soon. Comment where you're from. And if you've seen this feature, let's map it out together.